money, Daddy.
What up? So deep back with another one. Today I got a wearable air purifier. With things going on in the world the way it's going, I've been trying to find different ways so I can breathe. Alright? If you're with me on that, then you know the struggle is real. Alright? I bought so many different masks, it's ridiculous. I could have swore I uploaded the videos, but I gotta speak to my editor and see what's up. But anyway, yeah, man. This is a new one here that I'm looking at. It's not new to the market, but it's new what I'm looking at. And you know what I mean, it's 99%, got powerful protection, as a K996 filter, fresh air technology because it's with the fan and everything is spinning. And then it's supposed to reduce fog on glasses. I wear glasses, so yeah, that's a hell of a problem. You know what I mean? With most of these masks, it's annoying, and then you gotta do all this extra stuff to try to combat that. It's just annoying. You know what I mean? And then it says it has a large fan. All right, has a 2-year warranty, and they use a polymer battery. And the product model is R12 Pro. All right. Now, as always, I leave a link in the description so you know exactly what I bought, so you get the same thing. Try to have the same results. Now, I do like the packaging because a couple of masks I got it ready. They came in with cheap packaging. But I believe like you're gonna probably find this same type of mask with different companies. So I think it's like one of those off brands that everybody buys and just slap their logo or name on it or whatever. But if it works, it works. You know what I mean? So that's the whole point of this. You know, I'm trying to do this so that way y'all know what to buy and I don't have to waste y'all bread. And I'm on a hunt for something, so you know, it works out for all of us. You know what I mean? So let's get up in here. These are the extra filters, by the way, but we're gonna get to that. So it comes with 2 carriers, which I did like. This is the first carrier. So these are basically like the Ninja standard carriers with the Velcro in the back. You'll set everything up here. You put the fan there, put the filter inside. So I kind of like that. That's what I'm used to now when I'm using something like this. Now, I heard that some places won't let you in if you have a mask that you could breathe with. This whole thing is just confusing to me because, you know what I mean, I ain't a scientist or anything, but I did go to school and I do know breathing your own, you know, carbon is not good. You know what I mean? It makes you lightheaded, gives you headaches, migraines, even make you sick. And then people would think you got the ooh-wee. But I don't know. I'm going to go off what I know, and I'm going to do me, and, you know, I share my thoughts, and if you agree, then, you know, you do you. Anyway, here's a second carrier, and this is like those surgical joints. So you have the thing, the loops that go bunny around your ears. You know what I mean? I'm not really feeling this too tough because you look at the material here, it looks like it could rip easily. So that's something you might have to do a stitch job with some needle and thread if you want to make it stronger. But this is the other carrier. I'm not going to really be using it, honestly. I'm probably going to use that one. So let's put this back in. Alright, so let's get to the other accessories down in here. Like I said, I do like the packaging. It's pretty dope. So they gave me one filter here, and these are the extra filters. So we're gonna open this one here, and it's completely sealed, so that's dope too. So I gotta get that across, so you know nobody's finger in your filters, because I worry about that too, especially ordering stuff. You know what I mean, coming from overseas. Because at the end of the day, most of the stuff comes from overseas, and then you got people finger stuff, and it comes with 2 filters. Okay, so that's pretty dope. So it comes with 2 filters, and I see it's a 3M tape here. So I guess that's just the sticker to let you know, it's a 3M product. So we got the instructions, how to set it up, all that. Got a carrying case. Yo, these are important. Alright, I have another video coming Like I said, I thought I posted them, but I gotta see what's up. But I bought another mask, and that has a fan in it and a good filter. And I left it in my car, and I left it in the side of the door, or whatever. And going in and out my car and everything like that, that thing got super dirty, and I had to bring it back upstairs and clean it and disinfect it, because you don't know what kind of grime and everything that went in there now. So it's very important to put these on. And I do not know what this is. Let's see what this is real quick. Okay, so I'm guessing these are for the other mask, the one that's like the surgical, and you put the strings in there, that way it's not rubbing against your ears. That's exactly what this is for. So it keeps it from rubbing on your ears and everything. So you'll put the one that's for the surgical, put it in there, and that helps it from rubbing against your ears. So that's what that's for. I mean, yo, honestly, this is a good packaging, man. I know I keep saying it. I ain't sponsored by these people, but yo, man, it's this this packaging is good. It's worth it, because this is more I got than a lot of different ones I bought already. You know what I mean? You got a USB, micro USB charger. Okay, I feel like that's where they messed up. I mean, they could have gave us a USB-C. We in a new day and age. I mean, I really wish everybody would get on board with the USB-C. It's ridiculous, but I get it. You know, those components are laying around. They're cheap. You know what I mean? Nobody's really using them, so whatever. All right, it's a charge up the fan. And this is the fan right here. This is the beast. So sucks the air in, and as you blow out, again, it's pushing the air out. So it's doing a dual purpose, basically. And that's better than what you're getting just by sucking your own carbon back in. So I'm with that. You know, I had another mask though that it had the filter here inside. But let me see. Hold on. Maybe I could be wrong about that. Hold on. Give me a minute. Okay. Okay, let me see. So it's not. All right. So this is not to bring in air. I see now the design. It has a node right here. This node is when you blow out. So the node opens and it closes, all right, depending on the airflow. So this is like my workout mask and a couple other masks that I do have. And I see that it the way the node is in there, you can see that when you breathe out, it pushes against it, and that's where the fan is gonna basically take your carbon and get rid of it. So that's good too. I mean, I could deal with that. I mean, as long as you get rid of that, I know that I'm not gonna be getting sick like that. I could deal with that. You know what I mean? Because that's ridiculous. And here with the sticky tape, that's another thing. It's gonna stick to the carrier of the it's gonna stick to the carrier on the side. So that's pretty dope too. Because a lot of masks, you put the filter in, then it starts shifting around, and you start, you know what I mean, trying to fix it, to put it on your face. Nah, that's pretty dope. You know what I mean? So let's put this in real quick and set it up. Basically, put it in like that. Have this part up here for your nose, of course. And this is gonna set in there like that. And then you're gonna put the fan in. Boom, locked in place. Now back in here, straighten it out. Oh, hold up. All right, straighten it out. And that's when you'll pop these tags off right here for the sticky. And you'll place it down. Boom. So we got that side. And I you know, even though I know this tape ain't gonna be that strong, it ain't gonna last that long, but it's better than nothing. Because like I said, on my other masks, these things are just moving around. Boom. So that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. Let's see if it has any battery juice. Full battery. Nice. So as you see down here, I don't know if you can see that, but I'm trying to get it up in there. This lighting is crazy. I gotta get a different light. But anyway, back to this. The fan is on. Let me try it on real quick. Alright, so this is me talking through it. I'm sure you could hear me. And it's really getting rid of my exhaust. Like, I could really feel the difference. The mask is not so hot. Alright, breathing out. Yeah, it's dissipating very quickly. Breathing in is easy. No struggle, no restrictions. Alright. I like it so far. But the true test is gonna come, like, you know, when you go to the doctor's office, when you go shopping, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna keep testing this thing out. You know what I mean? I'm gonna give it like 2 weeks like I normally do. Then I throw it back at you and let you know if it's good to go. Yeah, I mean, like I said, like I keep saying, I like the packaging though. This packaging was really official. Comes with a lot of stuff in here, carrying case, the filters. I mean, stuff you should automatically get, of course, but the way they did it is pretty dope. You know what I mean? I like that. Cause the other masks I got, yo, one came in a nondescript box. Like, it was like no writing, no nothing on it. I didn't know what it was at first. But, you know, and it comes with this things right here for your ears too, because, you know, I know people who have that problem, like it keeps rubbing on their ears, especially when they sweating or whatever. You know, when you move around, you're perspirating, especially now. You know what I mean? When you do get into an activity, most people is, you know what I mean, not in shape, overweight, you know, because it's pandemic. Gyms are open, but people are scared to go in. And, you know, having that, you know, moving around and not rubbing on your ears, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. And being able to get that exhaust out, that carbon, you know what I mean? Again, I'm not a scientist or anything like that. I'm just letting you know that it's a fact, scientific fact, that your carbon should not be coming back into your body. Period, bro. Period. So, you know, wearing those type of masks, you're breathing that in. This mask right here cost about 45, I'm gonna say $50 from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description. And I know sometimes that's a little pricey, but if you truly are trying to be safe about your life, you gotta always think about your health in other ways too. Don't just think about this thing that's going on. Think about after this thing happens and after it's over, how your system and your body's gonna be for all the damage you have done to it by wearing these things. I'm not saying don't wear it. I'm encouraging you to wear it. I'm giving you other options that you can use and keep yourself safe and healthy. You know what I mean? For people who do know me, they know I'm a health nut. You know, I'm working out. I'm always doing something, staying focused. You know what I mean? But you got to be smart about it, man. Keep your life intact. Now, these filters are not even open, but we already previewed them. So these are extra filters. I always buy extra filters with the mask just in case, you know, if I don't like them, I'll probably give it to a loved one or something and they could rock it out. It's always good to breathe, man. You know what I mean? That's one thing that's for free still. We got to pay for food, which is ridiculous to me. But again, you know, I don't know. You know what I mean? But air is the only thing that's really for free, man. You know what I mean? So don't mess it up by breathing in your exhaust, man. For real. Anyway, I ain't gonna hold y'all up. You know what I mean? I'll holler at y'all later, man. Easy.